Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make perfect butter cream, or you can call butter icing. So this recipe is over 25 years old because I started this recipe when I'm 15 years old. So I know now you are going to figure it out my age, so it's okay. So what we need is 500 grams of icing sugar or powder sugar, 28 of ounce. So I'm going to tell you grams and the ounce. So this is the 500 grams and 28 of ounce. This is 250 grams of butter or 14 ounce of butter. And I have a 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I am going to tell you the drill of butter icing. So you don't have to be confused. If you take as an example 300 grams of icing sugar, then you have to make it half of the butter. That means if you have 150 grams of butter, you are going to multiply by 2. That means 300 grams of icing sugar. If you take 10 ounce of butter, then you get 20 ounce of icing sugar. That is the drill. So the milk and the vanilla, if you get I use for 500 grams or 28 ounce 2 tablespoons of milk. So you can divide it by 2, or you know how to divide that. So that is the drill. So you don't have to be worried or afraid to make this buttercream. Perfectly made my buttercream. All together, it took 10 minutes to make it. I beat my butter 5 minutes, and then I beat with my powder sugar another 5 minutes. All together 10 minutes. I make perfect buttercream. So now I'm going to show you easy tip to ice your cupcake. So I have my icing bag, and I have the 2D nozzle. This is a 2D nozzle. Normally you make the rosette with that nozzle. So I'm going to cut this. Okay. So how I'm going to use it? See my nozzle, and I'm going to keep this together and then get half, and I'm going to cut this half, and then my nozzle is not coming out when I'm going to push it. So I'm going to put this nozzle into my icing bag and push it, push it, push it. I think I had to cut a little bit more. Okay, now perfect. So now I'm going to put this in my cup. It's easy for me to put a lot of icing here, but you can use a bigger one. So you can tie this with a clip or something. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to hold it tight and press from your thumb to the down. So now we are going to thank you so much for watching my video and try this buttercream and let me know if there's any question.